Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to convert an epic to a story in Jira. Maybe you started with a big vision, mapped it out as an epic, but now you realize it makes more sense as a story, whether for easier tracking, prioritizing, or just to fit your team's workflow. By the end of this video, you'll be able to smoothly shift any Jira epic into a story without losing your valuable details. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Jira project and go ahead and click on the epic you'd like to convert. Take a moment here to double-check that you've selected the correct epic. The details in an epic might represent a larger body of work, so it's a good idea to glance over the summary and description just to be absolutely sure you're working with the right item. Accidental conversions happen, especially if you've got a busy board. Now with your epic open, look towards the top right area of the screen. You'll see those three little dots, sometimes called the meatball or more options menu. Go ahead and click those. This triggers a menu with extra actions that aren't always obvious at first glance, and this is where Jira hides some of its more powerful tools. If you ever feel lost in Jira, remember that a lot of additional controls live under those three dots. From the dropdown, you'll see an option that says Move. Click on Move. This opens a wizard window, which is Jira's way of guiding you step by step through big changes so you don't accidentally miss anything. The Move function is powerful. Not only can you change the issue type, like converting an epic to a story, but you can also move your task to a different project if you need to. Speaking of that, on this next screen, you'll get to choose whether you want to keep your story in the same project space or move it to another. For most people, you'll probably want to keep it in the current project, but here's your chance to tidy up your workspace if moving it somewhere else makes sense. Imagine you're cleaning up your digital desk. If this story is more relevant elsewhere, now's your time to move it. Next, and this is the key part, look for the dropdown labeled issue type. This is where you select story. By choosing story, you're telling Jira that this piece of work is smaller and more actionable now. It's a helpful way to keep things granular and clear for your developers or team members. Just select story from the list. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. You may need to scroll a little depending on your project setup. Now hit next. Jira will likely walk you through a couple of quick confirmations to double-check the move and let you review the changes. These screens help make sure nothing important gets left behind during the conversion. You may see fields for things like assignees or labels. If you encounter them, make sure everything's accurate or simply leave them as is. After you've reviewed everything, click Confirm. That's it, your epic is now a story. The conversion might take a few seconds, especially if the issue is detailed, but don't worry. All the details you entered into your epic, like descriptions or attachments, will be preserved. So there you have it. You've successfully transformed an epic into a story in Jira without losing any key information. If this saved you time or helped clear up any confusion, I'd really appreciate a like on this video. Feel free to drop a comment below with any questions you run into. I always try to respond. And if you want more tips and tutorials to level up your Jira skills, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy Jiraing.